We are currently in the finishing stages of the new American home. We've got Cygnus that is installing the Schluter system in the bathrooms, and then we have Cornerstone installing all of the stone on the fireplaces.
We have Thermary going in, Danver cabinets, Wellborn cabinets, Dow tile, Caesar stone, LG appliances, Sherwin-Williams paint on the walls and epoxy floor in the garage. Masonite doors are installed. At any one time, we have 40 to 60 guys working around the house. The work that our team is doing with the partnerships with the LSC members, the sponsors, our own team, and our trade partners, it couldn't have gone any better.
With the ideas that Sunwest has had, capturing the natural element of the outside, the stone that's currently being installed, it's carried through the entire house, so from outside, exterior to the interior. So it's gonna have one wall look going all the way through of a stone application from front to back. We're in the master bathroom right now. We have Schluter being installed to waterproof the walls. They use Schluter board on top of the Schluter mat that's gonna be installed and the Dietrich heat. So the heating will be through the entire master bedroom, the bathroom shower, the seats, the casita. This is gonna be a retreat. Challenges so far with the new American home has been getting the product here, being able to keep on schedule and keep moving forward. We're working extra hours and we're making this build happen.
I've described it as being on cruise control at 130 in traffic. It's been crazy, but it's amazing.
I feel that what's making this house special is all the partnership that we got throughout the new American home build, from all the donations. When they see how we put their product to use and with our design concept of what we have, I think they're gonna be amazed.
We're excited to see this project finish and share it with everybody who's been involved.
I think when people come up here from the convention, they're gonna be amazed. It's gonna have a wow factor the second that you walk in here. So we're excited for it.